Welcome to Beginner English Course A1 level. Learning English can be a challenge at first and you must start at the very beginning. From the learning the alphabet to understanding adverbs and adjectives. This Somalism course is suitable for anyone who wants to start learning English at Beginner A1 level. Don't you know that you can start learning this course anywhere and anytime you want?
Hi, my name is Abdijabbar. I am the instructor of this course. In this course you will learn how to ask questions, how to form present continuous tense, practice speaking about the language in general, and you will be receiving over 52 lectures, 17 quizzes and final tests. The good news is there is no course requirements. You can start now.